The objective with this building, Edge Olympic, for us was to showcase our claim of making the best buildings in the world.
Well, I think what we see more and more is that we have conversations with clients where imagery is playing a bigger and more important role. It's less about the text, it's more about the images they can see. It's the same that we consume as a consumer. So that also boils down to when we talk to clients, they love to see more visually what we do. So visual representation of our product is really important to us.
In the past we have used projector-based systems, but there's a lot of things to think about when you use those systems. Think about the environment, the lights that you have, the lights inside, the lights outside, the way it's positioned. Now with the CLED environment that we have right now, we don't have any of these issues.
The first time I saw the Sony LED, I was blown away. It was in a private preview and we walked into the room, not knowing what to expect, and I thought, hey, there's a Bentley in the room. Till we got closer to the screen, and then I realized this is not a real Bentley but a screen, and it was just mind-blowing, the quality of it.
The great thing about it is you have this really big contrast which looks really amazing. The colors are vivid, which you can never reach with a projector-based system. So that's one of the reasons we took the CLED system. Yeah, and it's really great in our office.
Well, when people come in, they're usually wowed. One of those sense from the size of the screen, the clarity of the image, sometimes also the power of the image in terms of the luminosity. So when people come in here, they always want to know what kind of screen is this, where did you get it? So it's a conversation starter in a sense.
So the result after the Crystal LED was installed over here was actually pretty good. The customers that came in had this immediate wow factor when walking into our office. They see this big screen, they have all kinds of questions. They ask me, what is this screen? How does it work? And then I go and explain everything to them and tell them that this is the big CLED screen from Sony. It's really amazing. We are basically one of the only ones that have it in a boardroom setting, and we explain them that the content on there is so crisp and show it to them. We have a system connected to it that allows for wireless presenting as well. And we just tell them, put your own iPhone on there, see your own content, and they are amazed by what they see.
Our experience so far is basically that when we show the customer or the future customer the designs we make for their buildings on the Sony CLED, they are typically blown away, cannot believe their eyes. And the interesting thing is they always start asking, what is it? How is this possible? It shines, it is really in your face. And obviously we explain to them that this is Sony CLED technology, that it is really the latest and greatest you can get in this kind of design. And yeah, typically they are blown away by what they see and experience with it.